Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Find out what is harmful to the solarium for the human body. With the advent of the first rays of the spring sun, many want to boast of a beautiful velvet tan. Since the opportunity to go to a foreign resort is not always, humanity has come up with an alternative, a solarium. After all, in just a few minutes your skin can acquire a beautiful dark tint. But is the tanning bed really good? Today we will tell you everything about him. Even if a person does not visit the solarium often, there is always a chance of getting burned skin and increasing the risk of dangerous diseases. The solarium can cause skin cancer, cataracts and eye cancer. Scientists have determined that a visit to the solarium increases the risk of developing one of the most dangerous cancer, melanoma. People under the age of 30 who often visited the solarium are 6 times more likely to develop melanoma than those who do not sunbathe in the solarium. The more often a person visits a solarium, the greater the risk of developing cancer. Artificial tanning accelerates the aging of the skin and overdoes it, causes the appearance of wrinkles and age-related pigment spots. Tanning laws in some states of the USA, as well as in Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany, Iceland, Italy, Norway, Portugal, Spain and the United Kingdom have laws that prohibit minors from using solariums. Artificial sunburn is a dangerous way of producing vitamin D. The best way to get it is simple walks under the sun. The source of this vitamin is also fish, dairy products and egg yolks. So, better go to the river or a pond, spread a blanket and just enjoy the sun and nature. But be careful, do not burn and do not overheat. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.